Yeah, hi, Heinrich in Germany. This is Mark in London. Well, not London, but England. Um, just to let you know that I've done your CD laser mech for you. Basically, I've changed the laser for you. I've put a brand spanking new laser in there. I've checked your cogs, and I've also done the micro switch for you. Just giving it a clean up. Just checked it over. All looks good. There's don't seem to be any visual problems there. And the unit's been on test now for quite a while, so you shouldn't have any issues with this whatsoever. I'll just let me just take that back to the start and I'll play that for you. And this is my little test CD that I have. This CD is actually scratched to bits, so when I play it I know that it works. So yeah, that's all working for you. As soon as I get payment, I will ship that out for you, priority mail, signed for mail, so you should get that back within probably about 4 days maybe. So you've also got a 6-month warranty on that, on parts, on the laser only, obviously, because that's what I've repaired. So if you get any problems with that at all, we replace that free of charge. But what we do ask for is just the postage. That's all we ever ask for. Everything else is free. So yeah, you got a warranty there. So I hope you're happy with this, and thank you ever so much for sending me the part to repair for you. I do appreciate it, and I really appreciate your business. So I hope you stay safe and stay well, and yeah, wish you all the best. Thank you very much.